All right, my beautiful followers, good morning and welcome to today's class. In today's class, I want us to look at this heavy-duty circuit breaker and study this nameplate so that we understand what all these write-ups are for. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with the name of the circuit breaker. And then the name is NXM 800S-330. What this stands for is, number one, is the frame size of this circuit breaker, which is this one, and this one stands for the breaking capacity, while this one is the poles number. Of course, this is a 3-pole circuit breaker and the capacity is 800 amps, and then of course this is the frame size. This one is just determined by the manufacturer. And then IN here stands for the rated operating current of this circuit breaker. So when they say this is a 800 amp circuit breaker, this is what it is. Now UI here stands for the rated insulation voltage of the circuit breaker. What insulation voltage means is that this is the maximum voltage the insulation of this circuit breaker can handle over a period of time without breaking down. And then we have the UIMP here, which stands for the rated impulse withstand voltage. All right, so what this means is that this is the maximum surge voltage this device can handle without damage. The difference between UIMP and UI is that UI has to do with the maximum voltage insulation can handle over a period of time, while this one is the maximum surge voltage this device can handle over a very short time without damage. 50 Hz, 60 Hz, it means that this circuit breaker can work under both 50 Hz and 60 Hz condition. And then Cat A is the category of this circuit breaker. Category A circuit breakers are just basic circuit breakers which trip without any form of delay. There is no form of discrimination. It doesn't have any settings that the operator can apply to it.